Can you make money on YouTube without monetization, ads, or brand deals in 2021? The answer is yes, you can, and I'm going to show you how. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from your YouTube channel, no matter how many subscribers you have or how much watch time your channel has achieved. In fact, this strategy is effectively a backdoor method to use brand sponsorships without having to sign a contract with a brand, without having to have a certain number of video views, and you are in complete control of the whole process. It's pretty exciting, right? Now, as you can tell, I'm reasonably new and have a small channel. So this is a strategy that I'm using. And if you're a beginner, then I highly recommend you use it too. Because why shouldn't you be able to make some money for the time and effort that you're putting into your channel? Only fair, isn't it? And YouTube, it's great in that it doesn't matter how big your channel is. If you use this strategy, you can make money, just like the big players, just maybe not as much to start out with. My goal with my channel is to show you what I'm doing to grow my channel and my business so you can do it too. It doesn't have to just be the big players and big channels having all the success. Yeah, don't you agree? So before I go on, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can keep up to date with everything I'm doing and get access to the tools and resources I'm using to grow. So how do you make money from your YouTube channel without monetization, ads, or brand deals? So first up, it's important to note that not everyone can actually access the monetization tools within YouTube. You may already know, however, in case you don't, the monetization tools are only available once you have 1,000+ subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time. Now, there's an important word in that sentence, which is and. A lot of people think that they can just email their list and get them to subscribe to be able to access the monetization tools. But unfortunately, Google's a little smarter than that, and they have the second part of the equation, which is the 4,000 hours of view time. Now, that's not so easy to do, especially when you're just starting out. And you probably think that since the target's so far away, that's just not going to happen, so you won't worry about it. I know that's what I thought initially. And even if it's achievable, getting a brand deal, well, they're just not that easy to do. There's a lot of work required to demonstrate to the brand that you're the right channel for their brand. A lot of time to invest building relationships with brands and proving yourself. So what's the backdoor to a brand deal that you can use to make some money? Well, it's simply called affiliate marketing. Now, if you know what that is, don't run away just yet, because there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. So I want to make sure you know the right way so you can actually start making some money. For those that don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply a process where you have a specific link to promote a product that is unique to you. And when someone uses that link to purchase a product, you receive a commission from the owner of the product. For example, this lavalier mic that I'm using, I can go to the product manufacturer's website and apply to be an affiliate, get a link from them and promote it to make to my audience and make a commission on sales from people who buy that link. It's like having a brand deal, but without needing one. So let me break down this backdoor strategy to show you how it works step by step. The first step in this strategy is to decide which products you want to promote. It's important to point out at this point that physical products, generally speaking, have a much lower commission rate than online or digital products. So if you're going to generate reasonable commission, you'll need to be promoting physical products with a much higher sales price, which, as you could expect, is much harder and is a much smaller market. So it's no surprise that I'm going to recommend that you promote digital products and software, especially if you're just getting started. Now, I talk more about this concept in the video you can watch by clicking the link up there. There are so many options available to you in the big three markets, being health, wealth, and relationships, which again, if you're just getting started, are a good place to look for products to promote. The other thing with digital products is that it doesn't cost to send them like a physical product will. Once you've decided what market or niche and products you want to promote, you need to know where to find them, right? So you can do research for individual products based on what you know about your chosen market. And that can work. You might know of a few that you can access straight away. However, the other option, which again is great for beginners, is to go to one or more of the affiliate networks where you can search for all types of products. You might even find one of mine. You can get immediate approval and start promoting it. There are a number of these affiliate networks available, and the ones that I think you should consider include ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore24 and Warrior Plus. Check them out, you'll find plenty of products and software options that you can use to get started. So the third step of this strategy to make money from YouTube without monetization is the one that most affiliate marketers skip. And let me tell you, that's a very expensive mistake to make. The third step is to create an opt-in page to capture your lead's email address before you show them the offer of the product or software that you're promoting. And here's why. If you just send your leads straight to a sales page for the offer, two things are going to happen, and I can guarantee this. First is that they buy your offer, which is great. You've made some money, but you will never be able to sell to them again. They're gone. Or the second thing that can happen is that they don't buy. You still don't have the opportunity to sell to them again, and you make no money at all. In both cases, the leads are lost to you, and you'll never know how valuable they could be to you. An important lesson for affiliate marketers to learn early is that the money is in your list. So you want to get your leads on your email list as soon as possible. Because the fact they clicked on your link means they've shown interest in your product offer and also in you. So give them a chance to hear from you again. So set up your opt-in page, connect it to your email list, and then you can move to the next step. But please, make sure you do this step. You'll thank me later, it's that important. The next step to make money from YouTube without monetization is to start creating your videos. Now, the fastest way to get views of your videos is to create videos that people are likely searching for already on YouTube. To find out what they are, type your keywords in the search bar and see what people are actually searching for related to your keywords, and then name your video the search term. Just take a look at this video's title, Make Money on YouTube Without Monetization. That isn't a coincidence, right? It's what people are looking for. Maybe you typed it to get here, and see how that works? Another option is to do a product review video. Now, these won't go viral, but if the product is popular, say like ClickFunnels, people are probably looking for it, so your video has a chance of showing up. You can check out my review video for ClickFunnels by clicking the link up there. Now, if you're promoting software, you can also do a tutorial video showing people how the most important features work. People are always looking for help with software features, especially if they're looking to buy the software. So that should give you plenty of content to get you started and get your channel monetized faster than waiting to be able to turn on the monetization feature. It's what I'm focusing on for my channel and my business, so let me know below in the comments if you can see the value in this strategy and how you're going to use it, or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you and help where I can. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped you understand how you can get started monetizing your channel, even if you're a beginner or starting with a small channel. So let's do a quick recap of the strategy. First is you select the products you want to promote. Second is you find the products on an affiliate network. Third is create an opt-in page to collect email addresses. And four, start creating your videos. Do this and you'll be on your way to making money without monetization, ads, or brand deals. And if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want to know the basics of what's required to get set up the right way, I'm giving away access to a free training course called Affiliate Bootcamp that you can access by clicking the link in the description. And let's get you set up and started with affiliate marketing the right way and earning an income in the next 30 days. Thanks for watching today's training, but don't forget to get access to the Affiliate Bootcamp training course to get you started. Click the link in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button, leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description and let's get you earning an income in the next 30 days.